What's Mandy doing?
Clean.
Cleaning? What are you doing?
Up.
You're up?
Up.
You better get down on your bed.
Okay.
Can you count, Heather?
1,
1, 2, 3. Whoa. Where's your bed? Is that your bed?
My bed.
I see it. Where's your
Mini bed.
Pocahontas pillow? Did you get that for your birthday? Can you sing ABCs?
1, 2, F, G, E,
E, F, G, H, I, J, K,
I,
L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?